Hey everyone, welcome to Arivilam. So in this video, we are going to create one magazine design using page curl option. So before we continue this video, if you are not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe. Let's get started. First, open blank presentation. Okay, so here I'm going to insert my pictures I have already downloaded. I'm going to insert title and content layout. So from here, designer menu, you can choose any of these options. I'm going to try this one. Okay, so Sachin, it's Mexico. Here I'm going to type some text. Okay, I'm going to repeat the same steps for other pages. So I'm going to run this video in a fast forward. Okay, now our pages are ready. Now you can see I have created 6 pages. Okay, if you want to insert one title page, yes, we can have a title page. So here I'm going to use one rectangle which is in the half of the page, which covers the half of the page. Okay, now I'm going to give some darker color to this and shadow. Okay, I want to give this shadow this way. You can also increase the shadow size. Now I'm going to insert one image. Let's take, I'm going to try this one. I'm going to crop this image like this. Okay, now I'm going to keep this image exactly in the middle of this rectangle. Okay, and I'm going to take a copy of this here and I'm going to remove the background of this image. So now I'm going to type one text, the wonders. And I'm going to increase the size. I'm going to keep this and I'm going to send this backward so that I can keep. I'm going to keep this here. I want to hide this behind the pyramid and I'm going to set up an animation so that it will appear at the top. So here I don't want down, I want up. Not till here, I want this one till here. Okay, now let's try this. Yes. And I want this automatically happen after the previous animation. Okay, now let's give some page effect here. For example, I'm going to create one rectangle. I'm going to place this exactly in the middle. I'm going to remove the outline. Okay, so click on this small arrow, you will get this menu. So here I'm going to select fill option. So in this fill option I'm going to select a gradient effect. So in gradient effect, make sure you are selecting a linear and you can choose. Okay, now I'm going to remove all this one. I'm going to keep only the first one and the last one. So first one, it shows a white color. I'm going to keep white color only. So for white color I'm going to select this, all the values should be 255, 255. Okay, so this is a pure white, and here I'm going to select black color, which is all 0, 0, 0, 0. Now I'm going to select transparency. For white, I'm going to give 100% transparency. Okay, for black, I'm going to give like a 50%. Now it look like a page. Okay, so I'm going to take one more copy, press Ctrl D, and I'm going to rotate this, flip horizontal, so this will create one copy here. Okay, in the exact middle of the page. If you want, you can group them. Ctrl G for grouping, and I'm aligning exactly in the center of the page. Okay, take a copy of this, paste it in all the pages. Look at this, it look like a magazine pages. The next step is I'm going to select all the slides, go to transition, and here I'm going to select page curl. Right, let's try this now. So that's all for the video. Thanks for watching.